Don't know how big, how 200 plus square feet, I know. Artistic, nothing artistic, old shop ready. I do a lot of product. I'm able to handle all this. Because nowadays the market, everything depends on machinery, you see. Fast, but no good job, they say. So I still do it on my own way. That's using the sharpening stones. Different stones got different grades. You start with the coarse stone, and then we come with the fine stone. The razor is a sharper job. Most must know how to balance the sharp, the way, you see. Now the razor is just one edge only, right? Scissors, you got two edges like that. In between, they got force, left and right force. There's no problem. The scissors, they got a hard one, you know. The hard is the screw. The adjustment all is done by the screw. Tension, the tightness, the softness. Then the blade can cut well. Because time changed now, people don't do that anymore because of the hollow ground. Like this. People say this, that. Here's the hollow ground, you got it.
The inside?
The inside one. So it's the most tough job. Even now, she says sharpening, they don't do hollow ground. Only I do when necessary also. You see? Normally people sharpen the edges, you see. Fix the hollow ground, then just fix the edge lah. Then fix the heart, that's it. I've gotten from Johor, Malacca, Seremban. Normally if it's outstation, they post it over to me lah. Maybe a Singapore client. I don't know why you can't get a job done in Singapore. Cost-wise, and you are better. I've been in this business for 40 years. I was in Penang, working for my father. He taught me this trade. Then I come over to KL, I find this place, and then I see it's okay. That's the straight away I start from here. Then because of the economy, everybody start moving out. Before, it was very popular. There's only building that's so tall in Petaling Street, right? You see all those shops in ground floor, it's full. You have goldsmith lah, you have tailoring lah. A lot of business is working. My father's registered name as Henry, you see. So just follow up lah. All these are salon products and hair products. Hand clipper. Your grandfather's time, they used that now. You must really be a professional, use a manual clipper, you know. The spring is there. You press and release, press and release. If you're not pressing full and releasing, you pull the hair. Clipper, now electric clipper is more easier. Just plug in, zoom, zoom, zoom. It's done. Before I worked from 8 to 6. I was young, I was 40 years old. When I started, I said, okay, you give me your scissors. Are you sure we can do it? I'm not charging you, I said. Then they, yes, we go and try. Then I said, how is my sharpening? Yeah, it's good. And then I said, yeah, if any complaint, you let me know. If it's no complaint, you tell your friend. That's where I get more customers lah. Now you see, already, and then all my children is independent already. That's why I don't work so hard, you see. Just to pass my time lah. As time changes, you see, the demand is different already. It's dying trade, yeah, it's true. You can make a living, but won't get rich. You do your job, you like it, then you enjoy it. Not that somebody tidak apa attitude. As long as I'm happy and I'm still here, I do it for you, that's all. So I show you the way lah, you want?